Good evening, everyone. First, I just want to congratulate all my fellow achievers. It's an incredible honor to stand here alongside you tonight and to represent Minnesota Trio. Any Minnesota? No? To be in this room filled with dedicated Trio staff who inspire young people every single day fills me both with gratitude and hope. People like Kevin Cheatham and Kathy Glampy, who were my advisors at St. Olaf Upward Bound program, who invested in me and countless others. People like my former classmate, Mari Avalos, who now leads that same program. To me, these are the true achievers, the unsung heroes whose tireless work changes lives. So while I'm the one standing here tonight before you, my story's not mine alone. It's built on the shoulders of those who believed in me, pushed me, and walked with me when I needed it most. Events like this bring me back to where my Trio journey began, which was decades ago at St. Paul Humboldt High School, the same school that my father attended. My father, a Mexican immigrant, came to this country at the age of 14 after losing his father. He finished high school, served in the U.S. Army, attended trade school while working full-time, and built a career as a proud union plumber. My mom, the daughter of migrant workers, grew up moving back and forth between Minnesota and Mexico. She graduated high school in Minnesota, worked overnight shifts, and cared for our family with tireless dedication. My parents, Rafael and Raquel, taught me the value of hard work, the importance of family, and the power of perseverance. Together, they instilled in us the value of education and encouraged us to pursue college, even if they weren't sure how to navigate the college process themselves. And that's where Trio came in. At first, I'll admit, it was the stipends that caught my attention. But very quickly, it became about so much more. Upward Bound gave me discipline, confidence, and preparation. I remember those long summer sessions in hot dorm rooms and what seemed like endless homework while my friends were back home enjoying their summers. At the time, I questioned it, but looking back, I know those were the moments that built the resilience I would later need when life got very real. In my senior year, I became a teen mother. My daughter was born just months before high school graduation. I was balancing calculus, physics, and caring for a newborn. It was daunting, and there were moments I wasn't sure I could do it. But the habits my family and Trio instilled in me of self-discipline, resilience, and the ability to push through carried me forward. The Upward Bound staff never treated me as a statistic. They treated me as a student with a future. They guided me through applications, reviewed my essays, helped me secure financial aid, went on college visits, and one UB staff member even brought me bags of baby clothes. Their belief in me helped me believe in myself. And it was because of that support, I was accepted in the University of Minnesota. I earned a presidential scholarship and the Kirby Puckett Scholarship, which gave me the financial ability to pursue my degree. After exploring several paths, I completed my undergraduate degree in finance and ultimately found my calling in human resources, a career that gives me purpose in helping others recognize and grow their strengths, turning potential into performance and creating spaces where people can thrive. Through it all, a quote from Eleanor Roosevelt has always resonated with me. For our own success to be real, it must contribute to the success of others. And that's exactly what Trio embodies. The staff who uplifted me made my success possible. And that is why I've committed my life and career to lifting others, whether through formal work of developing future leaders or informally through mentorship programs, speaking to students, or hosting career days. Today, I'm a proud first-generation Latina college graduate. A female executive in a male-dominated industry. A professional who found her purpose, a wife to my high school sweetheart, a mother of 5, and my favorite title, a grandmother. One of my daughters, who's here with me tonight, graduated from Loyola University 2 years ago. 2 more of my children are currently pursuing their college degrees. And I know without a doubt, TRIO did not just change my life, it changed the trajectory of my family for generations. And so as I stand here tonight, I'm not only grateful, I'm determined to champion TRIO, especially as we face the threats of funding cuts. We can't allow those opportunities to be lost. We can't allow the doors that TRIO has opened for so many to be closed. Because as we all know, and I see the big buttons, everyone knows in this room, TRIO works. It changes lives. It leaves a legacy of success that transforms not just students, but families and communities for generations. And it's because all of you, the supporters, the advisors, the directors, the advocates, that this legacy continues to grow. From the bottom of my heart, thank you to COE and to each of you for the work that you do every day to unlock the power of education, to believe in students before they believe in themselves, and to help them live to their fullest potential. Because of all of you, TRIO isn't just a collection of programs. TRIO's a lifeline. TRIO's a movement, and TRIO works, and we must ensure it continues. Thank you.